Hey, welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're gonna blacken these lobster tail and we're gonna top them on an Alfredo pizza. Let's get started.
All right, we're ready to, we're gonna take our lobster out of the shell. What I do is I put it, point all the way to the back of the tail, and I'm gonna cut it all the way through. This way we can pull the meat out easy. All right, we're gonna pull our lobster meat out right now.
Beautiful. All right, now I'm going to start blackening these tails. I've got a mix here. It's called Magic, but you can use your own, your favorite blackening seasoning, even your own. But I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of that on top. I don't want to put too much. These are kind of salty. We'll go ahead and turn them over. And a little more on the side here. I got my butter here.
Put them in whole,
And let those fry. But you don't want to cook them all the way because we're going to put them on top of the pizza. They're going to continue cooking on the pizza. So we want to cook them maybe 3/4 of the way.
Looks good. Looking good. Nothing like lobster cooking in butter.
All right, the lobster's ready. I'm going to go ahead and just put these on a plate, and I'm going to let them cool off. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the Alfredo sauce.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to start making the Alfredo sauce. I've got a half a stick of butter here. I'm going to go ahead and melt this down just a little bit. Cut. Yeah, you can cut now. All right, butter's about melted. Let me go ahead and add the cream. I really only need enough for one pizza, but I'm going to make an extra reserve for another pizza later on. So I put about 1.5 cups of cream in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add white pepper. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to go ahead and let that cook out. All right, I've got the cream cooking. I've had it cooking for on a slow simmer for about 10 minutes just to let it thicken up. And now it's ready for the Romano cheese. I got Romano and I have Parmesan mixed in here, but you could either use one or the other. Go ahead and put that in there. It's about 1/4 cup. We're going to turn off the heat and just mix that around. And there you have it. Our Alfredo sauce.
Looks good.
Yeah, we could throw some pasta in there, but today we're going to use it for our Blacken Lobster Pizza. I'm going to let that cool off. All right, we're going to start putting our Blacken Lobster Pizza together. Got my pizza dough. You can actually get this recipe on our channel. It's the New York style pizza dough recipe. I thought I'd save some time and just go ahead and show you how I make this wonderful pizza. Okay. Ready? All right.
Nice catch. Next time, let it land on your hat.
Speaking of hats, we got a few of these Brooklyn Brothers hats. You know, if you leave a really nice comment, I'll do a drawing at the end of May and ship out 3 of these hats out to 3 separate people. Anyway, all right, let's start making our pizza. All right. All right. This is a 16-inch pizza. That dough ball was a 16-ounce dough ball. So a general rule of thumb is for each ounce of dough, you get 1 inch of pizza. All right, I've got my Alfredo sauce here. We're go ahead and scoop in a ladle of that. Or two. No, just a little bit more. Okay.
Make up your mind.
That's hard sometimes. I'm losing my mind. All right.
You said it.
Okay. There we go. Let me put a little more on that. More than
Yeah,
merrier.
go ahead. Throw it all on there.
No. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and put our whole milk mozzarella. I got this from my buddy Jimmy's, Paulie, and his brother Mike. I really don't like using any other type of cheese for my pizzas or any other recipe for that matter. Okay. Wait, cut that. Gotta cut it. All right, I'll put a little bit more cheese on there. Perfect.
That pizza's so white you can't even see it.
Now we're gonna add our lobster. That's so you can see the lobster a lot better. Now, if you were to order this pizza in a restaurant, you'd be paying at least 50 bucks. 2 lobster tails on a pizza, at least 50 bucks.
Yeah, this one only cost us $30. And that's the truth.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spread this around sparingly. I'm gonna add some cut green onions. Because green onions go really well with seafood, you know? All right, there it is. Throw it in the oven. All right, let's get this puppy in the oven. I got it on 550 degrees. I'm gonna put it on the bottom rack. There we go.
Oh, that looks good.
All right, pizza should be ready.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely
Look
right.
at that.
That looks great.
Oh. All right, let's put some parsley on there. Keep up the fettuccine Alfredo tradition. I'm going to cut it up.
And then we're going to eat.
It's got the crunch. Beautiful. There we
All
go.
right, man, that looks good.
All right, let's eat. Let's dig into this bad boy.
It looks really good.
There you go, Dubbage.
Oh, yeah. Oh, looks nice.
Let's test it out.
Hot. Good. Very good.
Wow. Blacken Lobster Alfredo Pizza. Who'd have known that? Anyway, thanks for watching another episode of the Brooklyn Brothers. And leave a great comment. And I will do a drawing at the end of the month and choose 3 lucky winners to win these awesome, cool Brooklyn hats. Anyway, thanks for watching and happy eating. And we'll see you later.